For the young people, if they are not engaged properly in sports, they will do some other things which will be destructive to their life. But when they are put in the right places, be assured they will be very productive, they will be useful to the community, and some will go to the extent of benefiting from the sporting.
My job will be easy because the support from the office, from people who are knowledgeable and supporting, I don't think we will have a problem.
And we are looking for ways of getting ourselves to the Olympics easily. So tayari I've talked to Mberu Kipsang, the PS for basic education, and he has written a letter to Meru Teachers College to allocate 5 acres to us, so that we can host the game of archery in the place. So the new coming sports council, you are the people who know the Olympics people, the trainers and all that. I want to see the team of Meru in the Olympics.